This is a JUKI LS1341 walking foot sewing machine. In this video, I will show you how to adjust the height of the feed dog. This piece we call a feed dog. If we lift the foot, you can see it more easily. When the machine runs, the feed dog moves back and forth, simultaneously up and down, to feed the material. Sometimes you need the feed dog to be higher or lower, for different thicknesses of materials. So we need to know how to adjust the height of the feed dog. At the back of the cylinder, there are two rubber covers. Take off the upper one. You can see that one screw inside. You need an Allen wrench to loosen it. The wrench size is number 4. After loose the screw, the feed dog is free to move. You need to remove this cover. You can push the feed dog from the bottom. After loosen the screw, you can see the feed dog can be adjusted up and down. So you can adjust it to the height you need. Make it higher for thicker materials and lower for thinner ones. Then lock the screw. That's it. Then you can turn the handwheel to check it. Make sure this is the height you desired. Okay, that's it. Pretty easy. Thank you for watching. If you like our channel, please subscribe to encourage us to make more videos on how to fix sewing machines. Thank you.